Good day, everyone. My name is Oyewuse Ridwan. Hope you all enjoy and stay tuned to the video and make sure that you really learn whatever it is that you don't understand. Do not shy away from liking the video and comment whatever it is that you don't understand so that we can both go through about it together. And don't forget to share our video for other people's benefit. So thank you. Now let's go do our explain some of the things that we need to know in number-based system. First is conversion. We can convert between different bases. So usually we use base 10 as the reference base because it is the common base that everybody has been familiar with. So that's why it is used as the reference base for everything. So now we have three types of conversion. Conversion from base 10, which is decimal number, to other bases. That's how the first. The second is conversion from other bases to base 10. While the third is conversion in between bases. So we can convert from base 10. Let's say, okay, 20. We are given 20, the normal 20 that we know, we already know it's in base 10. So we are now, what is the equivalent of 20 in base 2? What is the equivalent of 20 in base 3? And so on and so forth. So the same thing you can convert from base 2 to base to base 10, and the same thing I can convert from base 2 to base 3 or from base 4 to base 6. Anyhow, it depends on what I need. So how do we understand this conversion? So converting from base 10 to other bases is really easier. We use our long division and we write down the remainder. So let's say I want to convert from base 10. Example now. Convert 500 to base 2, and usually, or to base, let me use base 4 in order to make it easier, to base 4 in order to shorten the workings. So it's the same way. If you want to convert from base 10 to base any other base, it's the same pattern. It's just that you are going to use this that you are converting to. So if you are converting 500 to base 4, you will be dividing 500 with 4. If you are converting 500 to base 2, you will be dividing 500 by 2 and you write down the remainder. If you are converting 500 to base 6, you will be dividing 500 with 6. So that's how it goes. Now, let's say I want to convert 500 now to base 4. So I will write my divisor here, I will write my dividend here, and I will write the remainder. So 4 in 500, you take 4 in 5, 1. Remainder 1. You had that one that remain, you put it here. So 4 in 10, it becomes 10. Is 2. Remainder 2. The 2 you put it here again. 4 in 20 is 5. So since we don't have anything left, we write 0. So we take 4 here again. 4 in 12 is 3. 4 in 5 is 1. Remainder 1. So there is nowhere to put that one. We put the 1 here. Now 4 in 30. In 31, we know is what? Is 7. And that's 4 times 7 is 28. If you deduct 28 from 31, you have 3. 4 in 7 is what? 1. Remainder 3 again. 4 in 1 is 0. Anytime you reach this place where you are going to your divisor is greater than the dividend, so you just write 0. Remainder what you are dividing, 1. So if it is 2 here now, let's say it's 2 here. So I want to divide 4 with 2. I'll just say 0. 4 into 0, remainder what? 2 that I want to divide. So that's how to do it. Now we now can't write this thing upward. So we now say that 500 in base 10 is equivalent to 1. We start from the bottom. 3310 base 4. So that is our final answer. So converting 500 base 10 to base 4. Now let me quickly show you something. when they write this base, this number like this, if they don't show anything under it, because if you are writing in base, so I have to write 500 base 10 or 500 base 10 here. But if it is in base 10, I don't have to show any base. I can just write 500 now. So if I write 500, it means it is in base 10. But if it is in any other base, I have to put it there. Like 101, I have to put base 2 there. Not if I write it like this, that this means 101, which is in base 10. So if it is in any other base, I have to put the base at the bottom here, at the subscript of the last digit. But if it is in base 10, I don't have to put it there. It's not compulsory. So thank you.